Okay, so here we are back with our image. Also, you should take into consideration that when you upload images to WordPress, you have to take note of the file size. Now, WordPress does do some optimization for you when you upload images, but you may want to use a plugin such as WP Smushit or some desktop software to reduce the size of your images, because large images, especially if you take an image, say, from your camera, will take long to load and they will slow down your site, and not to mention, well, some of them won't even fit on your site, and they can increase your hosting and bandwidth charges. Okay, so if we go back to our media library, and this time I want to take a look at video. So if we edit, now when you add videos to your site, WordPress will automatically try and embed them. So as you can see here, we had our image on it, and we could see our image, and now we have our video and we can see our video, so we can just play our video. But other files such as, say, Word documents and zip files and all these other things that you put into WordPress, then you wouldn't be able to see them. You just basically get a link to download it. So the video is pretty similar. You have a description of the video here. You have your direct link to the video online. You have your attachment page, and you can also use a short link for that page. And let me just look at one more. Go back to our library. And let's look at a document. So again, of course, like I mentioned, with documents, you wouldn't be able to see a preview. You wouldn't be able to see the image. Basically, you'd use a direct link. And if you view the attachment page, what will happen is that you basically get a link, and if you click that link, then the document will start to download from your site. Okay, so that's basically it for the media library. Just like I said, just to keep in mind the upload size. In some cases, your hosting company may be able to increase the size so that you can upload larger documents, and that's basically it for our media library.